Okay, all right, then let's begin the test. Okay, let me read the question carefully. A man spending 60% of his salary on household expenses, 20% on his salary on rent, and out of the remaining salary, he donated 80% to a trust. If he left okay, then it means what I have to do? We have to do 60% plus 80%. It means x into 60 and 80 yani 20 20 by 10 into remaining salary he donate 80% donate, it means 20 by 100 is equals to 20000. Okay, so solve this. 5 5 and 25, it means x is equals to 25 into 2 0 0 0 0, it means 50 50 and 40 50 and 40. A and B can do a work in 10 days and 40 days. Okay, A can do a work in 10 days and 40. Okay, how long? Okay, 1 by, it means 10 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40, 10 plus 40, it means 50. To 8 days. Two parallel chords of the same side of the center of a circle are 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter long. Okay, and the radius of the circle is itna centimeter. What is the distance between the chord? Okay, this is the circle, this is the circle, this is the center. Two chord, one is 12 and another is 20. Distance between the chord. Okay, so this one is the radius and this one is the radius. Okay, the radius is 5 root 13 and the length of this chord is 20. It means half of the chord is 10. This is the 10, this is the 6 and this is the 5 under root 3. It means if we find out the value of this and subtract the value of this, okay, then we can find. So find the value of this. So what is the value? 5 root 13. Okay, and 10, it means 5 root 13 square minus 100, then 25 into 13 minus 100. Okay, and if we multiply 25 into 13, then we get what I 325. 325 minus 10 100 means 225. 225 means 225 under root. It means what is the value of under root 225? 15. Okay, the value of this is 15. Okay, and what is the value of this? Then 225 minus 36. Okay, 225 minus 36. Then 25 5 11 5 11, just a second, 225 and 36, 9 and 1 8, 189. 189, what is the value of under root 189? Just a second, 289. What is the value of under root 289? The value of 100, 289, it means 17. And 17 is subtracted from 15. The answer is 2. A company have 5 plants for the manufacturing spare part. Each plant manufacture local quality and export quality. Okay, export quality, local and export. Okay. The company with the 5 plants manufacturing spare part. Each plant is okay. What is the ratio of the product? Ratio of the production of the local quality and the export quality. Okay. Given to the highest manufacturer. A manufacturer 605. ये 4, ये 5, ये 4, ये 5. Okay, so A is the highest, and the ratio of 40 is to 140. It means 0 cancel. 42 by, it means 3 is to 1. The surface area of the cube is itna. What is the surface area? 6a square is equals to 486. Okay, then divide by 6, and 6 is okay. 81, and then h equals to 9, and 9 का cube is equals to 729. Given that the perimeter of the two similar triangle ABC and DEF is itna and itna respectively, and D is itna, what is the ratio between the area A? Okay, one rule about area calculation. Okay, area 1 divided by area 2 is equals to perpendicular by perpendicular to base 1 by base 2. Okay, and bisector 1 by bisector 2. Okay, this is the rule. So here we can say ABC and DEF are itna and similar triangle ABC and perimeter itna and itna respectively. Okay, no problem. Then A1 by A2, area 1 by area 2 is equals to whole of 24 by 9. Okay, मतलब perimeter 1 by perimeter square. Then 24 into 24 divided by 9 to 9, it means 24 into 24 divided by 9 into 9. So we get 3, 8, 3, 8, and 64 is to 9. 64 is to 9. Which of the following is correct statement? Equal chord are equidistant from the center of the circle. Not always subtend equal angle. Okay, wrong. If two circle touch each other, okay, two circle touch each other at a point, the contact lie on the joining of the two center. Yes, this is the right. Angle subtend not right. And the sum of the angle of the cyclic, no, 360 degree. This is not right. This is the right. What will be the least value of x so that the 5-digit number itna becomes divisible by 9? Divisible by 9, it means what we have to do? 7 to cancel, and 5 and 6 11. 11 plus 7 divided by 9. Yeah, okay, 7 is the answer. The ratio of the diameter of the two sphere is given as 1 is to 4. The largest sphere is melted and it's an identical sphere and made out of the molten material. The smaller sphere is melted and it's an identical sphere made out the molten material. The ratio, okay, skip the question. A motorcycle covered the first 60 kilometer, okay, first 60 kilometer 60 kilometer of the journey at a average speed of 40. Okay, and the speed of the motorcycle for covering the rest journey, that is 90 kilometer, was 45. Okay, 45 kilometer. During the whole journey, the overall average, okay, average speed, okay, speed speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, and average speed is equals to average distance by average time. Okay, then find the total distance. Yeah, average distance, it means total distance. The total distance is 90 plus 60, it means 150, and total time. So in this case, we get a time of 60 by 40. Okay, and in this case we get a time of 90 by 40. It means there is the chances of 2 hour. Okay, and there is the chances of 3 by 2 hour. It means 1.5. It means 1.5 and 2 means 3.5. Then total distance is 150 divided by 3.5. Cancel 0 and 5 7 ja 5 3 ja, yani 300 by 7. 300 by 7 means 7 7 4 ja 28, 2 7 2 ja 7 2 ja, then 20, 7 2 ja 14, it means 6, and 60 7 7 ja 47, 7 8 ja, yani 8 42 point something, 42 6 by 7. Just a second. 42 6 by 7. Okay, 300 divided by 7 means such. Just a second. 4 and 2 6 by 7. Okay, 7 300 7 4 ja 28, 2 0 7 2 ja 14 6. Okay, this is the answer. Simplify the following expression. Simplify. Okay, then 3 plus 28y into 15 plus 4 minus 12. Okay, then 7 4 7 5 5 3 12, and 12 plus 3 15 plus 4 19 minus, it means 7. Okay, the percentage of the student, different activity in the school of which is in the left side of the pie chart. The total number of the student itna. Okay, and then the right side, the total number of the girls itna. Okay, girls itna. Then number of the girls enrolled in the craft में 22%. Okay, 22%. Then 22% of we have to find 1550 cut 22%, and then we have to divide it by percentage, and we find in overall 100 into 100, it means 100 cancel, and 10 cancel, and 5 it means so, and 5 it means 3, and 1 31 to 6 yani 62 286, it means 6.82. In the right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree right angle triangle. Okay, and angle A and angle C are acute angle. If cos A equals to itna, then find the value of sine. No idea, skip. If the equation of the pipe itna. Okay, just a second. X plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 3. Which of the following options satisfy this? X plus 5 is equals to 5. This, not this, and this. Okay, just a second. Okay, so, and this equation satisfied by 4 is to 1. If PQ and PR are the two tangent to a circle with center O, okay, just let's make a circle. PQ and PR are the two tangent of circle center O, PQ and PR, okay, okay, and QOR, okay, P, just a second, PQ, PR, QOR, it means this is 150. So QPR, okay, 30 degree. A shopkeeper makes up the price of oil by 40% and use a faulty machine which measure 15% less. If the shopkeeper give a discount of 32%, the profit and loss percentage. A shopkeeper mark up the price, okay, 140, 140 by 100, 140 into, and uses a faulty machine which measure 15% less, yani 85, 100. And if the shopkeeper gives a discount of 32%, okay, 32% discount means 70 and 68 by 100, okay, 1010, just a second, 100 cancel, 1010 cancel, 7 14 14 and this is 5 and this is 7 and 17 चौका 28 divided by 25. There is something missing. I'll skip the question. Okay. What is the mark percentage obtained by the Mohan? 80. Total marks 3367881 into 100 and 8 14 21 21 29 29 38 38 5. Okay. Okay. 38.5. No. Just a second. Okay. 240, 180, 70, 95 and 160 means 5 and 745 divided by 9 to 100 तो 74.5. Okay, ready कर the cashier bank तो 15 plus 50 plus 140 and divided by 1845, it means 5 4 9 10 1 205 1845 9 and 9999 the smallest, it means 9 and there are no 135. In how many years the simple interest itna sum itna equal no. Okay, the component of the two have the same student as the other, 39 plus 9, PG plus PhD equals to 48, PG plus PhD. And Arun's salary was decreased by 50%. Then how much percentage did he lost? Okay, there is the problem with the time. Okay, but we solve it again. 1 is incorrect, 16 is correct, and unattempted is 8. So we the time is 16:47. Okay, so how much time it take for this more 8 questions? Okay, if Arun's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50%, then how much? Okay, it means 50 into 50 divided by 100 into 100. Just a second. 50 plus 50 plus 50 into 50 divided by 100. 1. Okay, sorry. Firstly, decrease it means minus 50, and then plus 50 plus minus 50 into 50 divided by 100. 10 25 minus 70 minus 25. Minus 25. Okay, good. Now second. A shopkeeper decide to raise the mark price of an article by 40%. Okay, it means 100 is the price increased by 40%. It means 140. And how much percentage discounts should he allow to be able to sell the article? Okay, then how much percentage discount? Okay, X% discount, and then we get 100. So it means 40%. 40. It means X% of 140 is equals to 40. So 9 to 100 divided by 140. 0 cancel. 7 5 and 5 into 4, it means 200 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 7 2 ja 14. Just a second. 7 divided by 200. 7 2 ja 14. 6 0 8. Okay, this is the answer. And the largest possible sphere is a curve in a cube of the side 14. Okay, cube. This is the cube and the largest sphere. What is the volume? Okay, then this is the side of the cube. It means 40. So radius is 7. If radius is 7, then volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel, and we get 49 and 88. Okay, divided by 3. So 49 into 88, it means 3377063 divided by 3. It means 1. Just a second. 4 by 3. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 49. Okay, and 88. good. 49 into 4, 196 into 22, 2 9 2 9 and 3, so 2 1 4 2 1 2 4 2 1 2 divided by 3, 4 2 1 2 divided by 3, it means 1 3 1 2 4 12 1 1 4. Now 23 and 24. A man walking the speed of 5 km per hour covered a certain distance in itna kilometer itna minute. If we cover the same distance by cycle itna minute, then speed of the cycle. A man walking at the speed of itna kilometer per hour cover a distance. Okay. So 3 hour 45 minutes means 16 to 3 180. 180 plus 45 means 5 2. Okay, and then 2 to 5 ratio 260 into 2 120 130. Okay, in this scenario this is the 5 kilometer, so in this scenario just a second, 2 to 5 divided by 130 is equals to 5 divided by x, and we going to find the value of x. Cross multiply 130 into 5 divided by 2 to 5 5 4 5 and 5 9 5. No idea. Mohan gets 12% increase in his sale amount in the first year and 8% increase in the second year. What is the percentage sale is it? Mohan get 12% increase in his sale amount in the first year, 12% increase first year, and the percent increase in second year. Okay. With that, his present sale is itna. What was his sale 2 years ago? Okay, good. So x into 112 divided by 100 into 115 divided by 100 is equals to 128800. It means 128800. We do cross multiply, then into 100 into 100 divided by 112 into 115. Then we get 2 2. So 5 6 and 6 4 4. Again 28. Again 3 2 2. Again 14. Again 16 1. Okay. 7 2 ja, and 7 into 2 and 7 into 3 23. And now 2 and this is cancel by 2 into 5, and 5 into 2 it means 10, so cancel 1 0. Okay, then what we get, no idea. Let's assume 100 increase by 2% means 112, and then increase by 15%, it means 11.2, and 565.6, so we get 8.6 to 8 to 1. Okay, and 128.8% of 128.8%. Okay, so x into 128.8% इतना is equals to what? Okay, so we can do 128,800 into 100 divided by 128.8, and 1 0 cancel, 0 is cancel, 1 पे 2 2 4 5, 1 पे 5 0. Good. 25 question is completed, and I score what? This is right. 24 is not attempt. Okay, just a second. 24 is not attempt. One question, not attempt. This is right. Okay, and this is also right. Okay, and this is also right. This is also right. PG and PhD, and this is not attempt. So now we attempt it. In how many years will the simple interest on the sum of the money be equal to the principal that the rate of it now? In how many years? Okay, simple interest is equal. Okay, let's principal is P. In how many years? Principal is P and SI is P. So SI is P and principal is also P. Then SI equals to P in, SI equals to yani P is equals to P into R into T by 100, and the value of R is value of R is 7 into 2 14 20 by 7. PP cancel, then T is equals to 5. 7 into 5 means 35. Yeah, this is also right. This is also right. This is also right. One is wrong. Right. 13 is not attempt. Okay, then 25 is not attempt and 13 is not attempt. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree. Okay, just make a right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is 90. It means this is B, this is A, this is C, 90. And angle A and angle C are acute angle. Okay, so cos A बराबर 2:2. Cos A बराबर 2:2 cos A. It means cos, what is the value of cosec? Sin cos sec, sin cos tan cosec, cosec sin. It means hypotenuse by perpendicular बराबर 2 root 2 by 1, and this is the perpendicular. Okay, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, then find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Okay, so this is 2 root 2, this is 1. So what is the value of this? It means 2 into 2, 6 minus 1. It means 2 root 2 whole square minus 1. 4 into 2 is 6 minus 1. It means this is the value 5. Okay, now sine A dot cos C. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then perpendicular is 1. Okay, perpendicular is 1 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 2 root 2 into sine cos C. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Base is 1 and then hypotenuse is 2 root 2. Okay, then 1 by 2 into 2 yani 4 into 2 yani 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus cos means base by hypotenuse. Base is equals to 5 by 2 root 2 into sine C. Sine yani perpendicular yani 5 into perpendicular by hypotenuse yani 2 root 2. 2 root 2 it means 25. 25 by 8 yani 20. 26 by 8. No idea. Then 25 and 13 is skipped, and we go in the 9. The ratio of the diameter of the two sphere is given as 1:4. The larger sphere is melted and its identical sphere are made out of the molten material. The smaller sphere is melted and its identical sphere are made out of the molten sphere. The ratio of the volume of each of the its identical sphere, no idea. Then a skip question is 15, 9 and 13. 3 question is skipped and all are correct and 1 question is wrong. This is that. So we again implement it. A shopkeeper markup the price 140. It means 140 by 100. And the usage of faulty machine which measure 15% less. It means 100 by 85. If the shopkeeper gives a discount of 32%, then 32% discount means 68 divided by 100. 100 cancel. 10 cancel. And 5. And this is 5. And this is 7. 28 by 25. 28 by 25. It means if we go 4, then multiply by 4, then this to 11. 100 में 112. 112 means 12% profit. Okay, this is also correct. So at first, three questions are skip. One is incorrect and 21 question correct. And that incorrect question is also correct on second attempt.